And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this waterproof mattress pad. As you can see, it's 100% waterproof, highly breathable, machine washable. It protects against bacteria and fights dust mites. This is the king size option. You get a 10-year warranty. It's considered as a class 1 medical device with the FDA. Thanks to BEDLORE. Looks like it just fits right over. Fits standard mattress, deep pocket and all sides protected. And then back here kind of goes over a lot of that same info that I've already mentioned. Waterproof, breathable, noiseless. And so I'm not going to bore you with an unboxing. We're just going to take it out, put it on our king size mattress, and show you what it looks like right here. So this is our king size dark gray protective cover with a pad. So if you were to spill drinks or have any accidents, this would protect it because it's waterproof, so it would not actually go through to your mattress. Also, it's great for keeping dust mites, bed bugs out, etc. So with this on, we can just put our regular sheets right on top of it and sleep like we normally would. I think that will do it for this one. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me to demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.